Welcome to our comprehensive few minutes exploration into the life and profound philosophy of Laozi, the enigmatic sage and founder of Taoism. In this video, we will embark on a journey to uncover the life story and timeless wisdom of the ancient philosopher, whose teachings continue to guide seekers of harmony and enlightenment. The life of Laozi is shrouded in mystery, with legends suggesting his birth around 6th century BCE. Yet, his legacy would transcend time, igniting a philosophical revolution that would echo through centuries. Laozi's departure from society is a pivotal moment in his story. Seeking solitude and a deeper understanding of the universe's mysteries, he embarked on a journey that would lead him to a profound revelation. Laozi's teachings were encapsulated in the Dao De Jing, a profound text that delves into the nature of existence, balance, and the path to enlightenment. Central to Laozi's philosophy is the concept of the Tao, the fundamental force that governs the universe. His teachings emphasize aligning with the natural flow of life. Laozi introduced the concept of wu wei, the art of non-action, or effortless action. This principle advocates for acting in harmony with the Tao, allowing nature to guide our endeavors. Laozi extolled the virtues of simplicity and humility. He believed that by letting go of excess and desires, individuals could find inner peace and connection to the. Laozi's philosophy introduced the concept of Yin and Yang, the interplay of opposites that maintains balance in the universe. This principle extends to human behavior and ethics. Laozi's re-entry into society marked a transformational phase. He shared his wisdom with those who sought his guidance, leaving behind a legacy that would influence generations to come. Laozi's philosophy of Taoism continued to resonate across ages, inspiring countless individuals to seek inner harmony, embrace simplicity, and connect with the profound truths of the universe. Laozi's teachings transcend borders, bridging cultures, and offering guidance for those seeking a deeper understanding of existence and the interconnectedness of all things. As we conclude this profound journey into the life and philosophy of Laozi, we recognize the enduring impact of his teachings. From the enigmatic beginnings to the profound insights of the Tao, Laozi's legacy remains a guiding light for those seeking alignment with the universe and inner tranquility. If you found this exploration into the life and philosophy of Laozi enlightening, consider sharing the video with fellow seekers of wisdom. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations into history, philosophy, and the mysteries of existence. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey.